Hello my people, how una dey? Hope say una dey fine. Una do as una take dey help me take dey share, comment, like. God go bless una. I really appreciate everybody. My people, una see say this picture wey dey here, I go put the video wey be say Helen do. Like this lady wey be say dey come out for Cubana priest. Una know say the girl talk say na Cubana priest na im get the pikin wey be say e born. And the pikin resemble and not be small thing o. Some people say the girl just dey use Cubana priest say dey do content. Some say the head not correct, some say this one, some say the other one. My people, not be small thing o. I know say all these people wey be say they get money, e get the way wey they take dey well. Some of them because of say they no wan offend their wife. According to Cubana priest, he ready to do the DNA. But the girl no want make go do one for Naija because why? The girl understand say if you get money now, they use money to cover your mouth. Anyway, my people, may I put this video where be say she just do today. Make I put am for now. Make una lis ten to wetin talk. Wahala. Anyway, if na him get the pikin, because no be say na the money to maybe to train the pikin, and the man go dey find dey go make e find way, because you know sometimes the pikin wey be say you no put eye, e go come be somebody one day, you no understand. Na make am train your children. No look say this one na because of him mama or the other one, that pikin e no get na innocent according to her, because na woman dey know who give am belle. So make I put this video, make we still lis ten to wetin she dey talk, because she no ready to stop to dey drag Cubana priest. Una bye bye for now.
I don't know why this man is just trying to behave this funny. I don't know. Or Pascal, you want me to bend over? You want me bend over for you? Anyway, guys, I need to go. I need to go because there's a lot of things I need to do. Me, I've just said my own. I have just said my own. There's some things I want to do. I want to take good care of this baby. Baby is not feeling well. I need to pamper my baby today. You know? Hey, God. Hey, Jesus. Oh, Lord. Man. I pity women out there who are going through this kind of stress I'm going through. I pity them a lot. Trust me. But it's fine. Time will tell. If Pascal doesn't want to take care of this baby, no wahala. I go drag you every day until the day that you'll accept that, okay, Helen, let's do the DNA. Period. If you don't want to do the DNA, I will not even bother you. I will bring your baby. That's what I keep on telling you. I will bring your baby. Oga, now your baby I go bring for you. Wahala de oh. My brothers, wahala de. My sister, wahala de oh. Wahala de like a bicycle. Me, I've said my own. And I would love to request Burna Boy, please, as you keep your promise, I trust you, the promise is still there. I hope that you hear me and fulfill your promise, and I will be so grateful. I still trust the way you keep your promise, and it will work the way you said it. That's what I'm here. And welcome to Nairobi. We love you, Burna Boy. We Kenyans, we love you. We love your music, especially me. I've been listening to your amazing music way long. We love you so much, Burna Boy. And be free. You know, Kenya is home. We love Nigerians. Everybody. We love Nigerians. We Kenyans, we love Nigerians. And everybody knows that we Kenyans, we love Nigerians. so much. And Bana Boy, welcome home. Welcome to Nairobi. This is like your second home. Anytime you feel like coming home, you're welcome. We Kenyans, we love you so much, and we love your music. And I would love to go to your concert tomorrow. Okay? So I'm so grateful. So much. And God bless you, Bana. Odogu, you body. Odogu, you body. You are a real man. Leave that Belena water. You are a real Odogu. I saw what you did to his brother. You are a real Odogu. God may bless you, Bana. God bless you. God bless you so much, Bana. Chai. God bless you so much. Leave that my baby daddy. That's my baby daddy who doesn't even want to take care of his kid. He doesn't want to take care of his kid. Ranting online. He rather go and buy a house just to impress people. For someone he doesn't even know, just to impress people. Because of internet. Pascal, now me and you this year. You go explain to people tire. Me, I don't tire. People are saying, oh, this woman, we are tired of you. Me, I don't get tired. You yourself, where you are texting me or you are chatting me or coming to my DM, you will get tired. But me, so long as my son is involved in all this, I will not get tired, sweethearts. I will never get tired. Any woman out there, even your own mother, will do the same thing. What I am doing. I'm fighting for the right of my son. You know, he needs the fatherly love. That's what I'm saying, guys. Me, there's nothing I want to say. We just welcome Odogu. Period. But today, now you learn how to stop ranting. Every time you are ranting, Chipris. In fact, today is the day I call you Chipris. In fact, your name is Pascal Okochuku. That's your name. That's the name I will be calling you. Stop ranting online. Mind your business. Stop minding people's business. Mind your business, Pascal. Try to respect yourself. And come and do the DNA. Me, hey, I will come in this life every day. Every day. I will never get tired. I will never stop. I will never get tired. I am telling you. I'm telling you, you should do the needful thing. That's what I keep on asking. People are coming here to insult me. How many of you have insulted me? In fact, most of the people who used to insult me, the general of them, I've already blocked them. That's why you cannot see them much here. And someone new, they're following me, and then they're coming to my page, under my page, and texting rubbish. I will delete and block. That's what I always do.